In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for rewriting and enhancing your written content with ease. To get started, the first step is to open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you're going to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one, which is a fairly straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, and soon enough, you'll be ready to dive into the world of AI-driven writing assistance. Now that you're logged in, it's time to bring your topic or draft to the table. This could be anything from a 300-word essay on climate change to a blog post about your favorite hobby. The idea here is to have a piece of writing that you want to refine. Enter your text in the chat input area and make sure it's clear and concise so that ChatGPT can understand exactly what you're aiming to improve. Once your text is prepared and entered, the next step is to request ChatGPT to give it a fresh touch. You can do this by asking it to paraphrase your text in a natural, human-like style. A useful prompt could be, rewrite this with varied sentence length and smooth transitions. What this does is instructs ChatGPT to approach your text with more rhythm and flow, making it engaging and easy to read for your audience. Remember, changing up the sentence length and ensuring smooth transitions is key to maintaining reader interest. After ChatGPT has worked its magic, it's time to enrich your text with real-world relevance. To do this, ask it to add citations or examples that ground the text. You might say, insert 2 real-world case studies with sources. This step is crucial because it not only adds credibility to your writing, but also provides your readers with concrete evidence supporting your claims. These citations also help in portraying a well-researched and thoughtful piece. With your text now enhanced, the final step is to personalize it in your own voice. Think of this as your signature touch. Tweak the phrasing, add any personal insights you have, and consider reorganizing the sections if necessary so that it resonates with your unique style and perspective. This editing process ensures that while the AI has improved the structure and engagement level of your text, it still feels like your own authentic voice is coming through. And there you have it. By harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT, you're equipped to transform any piece of text into something polished, insightful, and uniquely yours. Whether it's for a school project, a blog, or even creative writing, this tool is here to support your journey in becoming an even more effective writer. Happy writing!